Lochaber and due coming on in Bunschool of Rochich and Munich. Agus get nach a Bunschool Gaelic show ha u voor ik discover in eentje. Maar ik hier of trouwens gus een kleintje tilje met een visit wish.
Martin ba, hele Dunya?
Martin ba, Mrs. T.
Okay, hier gaan we ja, Brody. Hoi ba. Okay, hier ja, afleid. How's it, Alec? Tapeleef. Martin ba. Carisha ha en Chicha Coltach en Jew.
Hi.
Hi vlug?
No, hyper.
Hi four and Jew. Okay.
Do you like Gaelic?
Yeah.
Nee. Tell Joy and Luke, how do you feel a lot of the days in class?
Hammy gesprochen.
Yes, I like this brock. Still am shed more. I like that one as well. Jane Penny Horse.
Is Misha Zara.
I guess Jane Penny Horse.
Is Misha Morven. Jane Tanima Horse.
Is Misha Joy. And I am seeing that you guys do lots of Gaelic in your school. What's your favourite thing to do?
I like talking about the weather.
Do you like any of the words, the weather words?
Yeah, I quite like Greeno.
Greenock, that's a fun one, isn't it? What's your favourite?
But sadly, we don't get to say it much around here.
Correct. It is never very Greenock. It's always very grot, vlug, voor. And you were doing a big presentation, weren't you, recently?
Yes, we did it for assembly.
What was that? For anybody that wasn't there and they didn't get to see it.
It was just to remind the school and to make people more people to use Gaelic a bit more around the school. It could be just asking someone in Gaelic how to say water. Can I please have a cup of water or something? Just to remind them that we want people more to say it around the school than just in their classes and lessons. In Gaelic classes.
Yeah.